If you want to add a new sheet before the current one, Shift F11 is your friend. So let's go together. Shift F11 and you will see a new sheet will be added before this one. Okay, sheet 1. So we cannot undo this. We need to actually, if we want to get rid of this sheet, we actually need to delete it. All right. So two shortcuts now to insert a chart. These shortcuts are Alt F1 and F11. So let's scroll now up. And we only need to position ourselves inside the data. We don't need to select everything. And with Alt F1, we enter a chart in the current worksheet. And with F11, we create a chart in a new worksheet called chart 1 in this case. All right, so very useful, very quick. Now, if we want to select visible cells only, we can use Alt and semicolon. So for example, if let's say I'm hiding these rows, and let me do it with right click and hide, and in the next lesson you will see the shortcut for that as well. And now if I select these two cells and I copy and I paste, let's say paste it here, you see that basically I selected everything, including the one that were hidden before. So let me go back once. But now let's take this once and use Alt semicolon. And we see we selected only the visible cells. Just press Ctrl C. And now we pasted only the visible cells. Super useful shortcut. So we want to go back, hit Escape. The last shortcut in our list is F6. And if you want to get serious with mouse-free navigation, this shortcut is a must. So for example, if I press F6, you can see that now the tab is selected. And I can actually just use the arrow to navigate to another tab. And if I hit enter, I will just go to this tab. If I press F6 again, I'll navigate to another section, which is here on the status bar. So now I can hit the right arrow and once more. And if I hit enter, you see I start to change the zoom level without using my mouse. I just use the right arrow to go to the plus, hit enter, and I'm going back to 100%. All right, next ones are not involving the mouse, but still there are good ways to work faster with the data. First one, you want to drag this cell. Now you want to move your mouse until you get the arrows in all the directions, and now just drag the cell, and you see you cut and move the cell basically. Let's go back. Another one that is very useful and not a lot of people know about this is how to swap rows with columns. So let's select this row using space and shift, and we want to move this row and swap it with the one above it. So now hold shift and drag as well until you see the green line, and this is already done in just one action. Let's go back, and now it's practice time.